How many habit apps have you downloaded and deleted? 5, 10. I have spent years testing every app's streaks, Habitica, even spreadsheets. But guess what? The only system that I start is this free Notion template I built. And today I'm giving it to you. No bullshit, no fluff, just the exact tracker that helped me hit 3 fitness goals, write a book, and 10x my productivity. So let's jump into it. First things first. Why 90% of all habit trackers fail? Apps fails because they are either too rigid or too fixed. But Notion is a blank canvas. You're not just checking boxes, you're building a life operating system. And here's the kicker. When you design it yourself, you care about using it. So, at number 2, what's the Notion? It's database, the cheat code to habit tracking. Unlike other apps, you can link habits to goals like read 30 minutes, finish books, auto calculate streaks, and why sections to fight, procrastinations, all free, all customizable. Let's build yours. First things first. Come to the you can either download the Notion app or use it through your you can either download the Notion app or use it through your browser. It's pretty much as simple as that. You can do whatever you prefer. Then on the private section, click the plus icon to add a new page. As you can see, the new page has been added. Now you can see the add a cover. Okay, we'll change that some pretty much later. Now at the title, I'll give it habit tracker. Yeah, that's fine. Now change the icon like yes, this one looks good. Now, right after that, so just change the cover, click here to upload, and I'll put this one like this one. So load for a moment. As you can see, it has loaded, but the position is not that good. So I'll just click on reposition, and yeah, this looks good. Now, the come here and click this slash and add a table view database and just click the check boxes as much as you want like and to show I'll just add four of them and now just simply add your goals like I wanna do gym every day gym and after clicking here you can even change the emoji like gym no as you can see on the second one I'll add the read and books. On the third one, I'll add the diet and food. And since you will leave that, I'll go with the apple. And the last one is work and change this. So yeah, this also looks good. Yes, this one says to do. And by the way, you can after this you can add pretty much as you want. Sunday, Monday. As you can see, I have generated one more. Simply delete this. Where's this one? As you can see, you can now use it as much like if you want add some more check boxes, you can do that. Just simply add that and type whatever you like in case and click the icon the yeah like this as simple as that and just drag up right here and now if you want to see how much you have progressed just click here and just click on this plus icon and add this formula now click on the edit formula then and paste this formula here now where you can see this to have it 1 2 3 4 5 just simply change this according to your need like click gym my web edit button one read one diet just click on save and voila as you can see you can now check how much progress you have got. It's pretty useful to be honest. And by the way, this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can use more formulas to auto track streaks. Every 7 day streak unlocks a reward. This is not a gamification. It's brain hacking and Notion does the math for you. You can track your progress like a CEO. This dashboard shows weekly streaks, habit success rates, time invested. In 30 days, this tracker helped me run 50 miles, write 20K words, and finally learn Spanish. Grab the template below. It's free. Like if you are ready to quit app hopping. Subscribe for more life hacks and comment your first habit. Let's go from I start tomorrow to I'm unstoppable. See you in the next week. Peace.